Hello, spiritual friends. Today I'm going to talk about how you can manifest your desires using the law of attraction, but from a way I bet you've never thought about or heard about before. You see, I'm a multidimensional palmist and I've been reading hands for over 15 years professionally. More recently, I've been receiving messages from the Pleiadian Council of Light, and they want you to know that your palms have portals. In other words, they can help you manifest your desires when you know how to do it. There is a portal located on your right thumb called the portal of willpower and setting intentions. This is your free will finger. You can access it by touching it with your left index finger, like this, and saying the following: Right thumb portal, open so that I may access my birthright of divine manifestation. You can use commands and words of power to access various portals. Then you can proceed with your intention, whatever it is. So, why don't you give this a try the next time you want to manifest a new desire? And please let me know in the comments what you're manifesting. Also, if you could do me a favor, please follow and like for more manifestation tips. And if you're interested in learning more, take my free quiz, What is Your Abundance Archetype? Just click on the link in my bio. Until next time, I wish you infinite abundance.